How to add forms and surveys to your funnels and websites in Shopify.io. So first go to sites, click forms or surveys or sites, click surveys to create a new one. So next is drag in fields like name, email, phone, and custom questions. So here, the name, the email, and the phone. So once saved, embed it into any funnel or website page using the form element in the builder. So all submissions will automatically create or update a contact in your CRM.